Good morning, students. Students, as you all know that we are continue with our chapter number 5. Okay, in geography we are continue with our chapter number 5 that is related to minerals. Okay, and I have told you that we have to do map skill of this chapter. So we are continue with our map skill. Students, in my last video I have explained to you about iron ore. Okay, we have practiced the map skill of iron ore production in our India. Okay, and today in this video we are going to practice our map skill related to the production of manganese in our India. So today's our topic is production of manganese in our India. But before starting our map skill, you should be familiar about the important points related to the production of manganese. So we will read some lines related to the production of manganese. Okay, students, you all know that manganese is also an important mineral, and manganese is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel and ferromanganese alloy. Okay, it has been used in the making of steel. Okay, in the making of steel. Okay, nearly 10 kg of manganese is required to manufacture 1 ton of steel. So it is very clear that if you would like to produce steel, so the production of manganese is very important. So the production of manganese is very important. I have told you that nearly 10 kg of manganese is required to manufacture 1 ton of steel. So 1 ton of the production for the steel, it is crystal clear that the production for the steel manganese is essential. It is also used in manufacturing bleaching powder. Okay, and manganese has also been used in the manufacturing bleaching powder, insecticides and paints also. Paints. Okay, now student, just focus about this diagram. This diagram is showing the production of manganese statewise share in percent according to 2016 to 17. Production of manganese. So Maharashtra is giving the contribution of 25% manganese. Okay, and Madhya Pradesh is producing 27% manganese. You can see. Okay, and this green color is representing our Odisha, and Odisha is producing 25% manganese. Okay, students, and now Karnataka is producing 11% manganese, and Andhra Pradesh is producing 10% manganese. And if we will talk about other states, then other states are also producing only 2% manganese. So students, this diagram is representing the state-wise production of manganese. Okay, and you can feel that our Madhya Pradesh is on number 1 in the production of manganese. Just learn this data. And Maharashtra and Odisha, these both of the states are on number 2. Maharashtra and Odisha, these both of the states are on number 2, and Madhya Pradesh is on number 1. After third, Karnataka is on number 3, and Andhra Pradesh is on number 4, and other states are also producing 2%. So students, what you have to do, you have to prepare this diagram in your geography notebook. Okay, students. Okay, now we will see the production of manganese in our map. Student, this is the map of our India. Okay, and now we will practice the map skill related to the production of manganese. Okay, students, so as I have told you now only that our Madhya Pradesh is on number 1 in the production of manganese. So in the very beginning we will see the production of manganese in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, students, in Madhya Pradesh you can see that at first just see the symbol of manganese. Okay, this one is the, just give a close look. This symbol is equal to the production of manganese. This symbol is equal to the production of manganese. In this video, we will discuss the production of manganese and we will also discuss the production of mica. Okay, these things are related to the production of iron, and we have discussed these things. Okay, so again I'm telling you, in this video we will discuss the production of manganese and we will also discuss the production of mica. Bauxite we will discuss in my next video. So pay attention about the production of manganese, and this is the symbol. Just see the production of manganese in Madhya Pradesh. Students, you know, in our Madhya Pradesh is producing 27% of manganese. Okay, and in Madhya Pradesh you can see two major manganese producing belts are here. Okay, so you can see this one is our one main major manganese producing belt we have, and the name of this belt is Balaghat. Okay, just see the name of this belt is Balaghat, and this is the major manganese producing belt in our Madhya Pradesh. Now I am taking the second state is our Maharashtra. It means Maharashtra and Odisha. These both of the states are paying 25%, are producing 25% of manganese in our India. So in Maharashtra we have Nagpur and we have Bhandara also. So just give a close look. This is our Nagpur, see the symbol, and this is our Bhandara. Okay, so these are two major manganese producing belts in Maharashtra. Okay, students, and once again I'm repeating, 25% production. Okay, now we will discuss about Odisha. Okay, students, as you all know that this is our Odisha, and in Odisha we have two major manganese producing belts. Okay, so students, you can see this is our Sundargarh, and this is our Kendujhar. This is the place named Kendujhar. So this is Sundargarh and this is our Kendujhar. So these are the major manganese producing belts in Odisha. These are the major manganese producing belts in our Odisha. Students, you know, I will send you the PDF also. I will send you the PDF also of this map, so you can understand. In that PDF you can understand all these names very easily. Okay, I am giving you a hint that this letter M, this is also M, this is also M, now this is M. So this M is equal to the production of manganese. Okay, this M is indicating the production of manganese. Okay, students, so this is the production of manganese in our India. Okay, Madhya Pradesh is on number 1, producing 27% manganese. Balaghat is the major producing place of manganese. Maharashtra and Odisha, both of the states are on number 2. In Maharashtra we have Nagpur and Bhandara. Okay, and in Odisha we have Sundargarh and Kendujhar. So these are the major manganese producing states in our India. Okay, students. Okay, now we will discuss about the production of mica in our India. But before discussing the map skill, we will read some lines related to the production of mica. Okay, students, non-metallic mineral. As you all know that mica is a non-metallic mineral, and mica is a mineral made up of a series of plates or leaves. It splits means breakdown. It's breakdown easily into thin sheets. These sheets can be so thin that 1,000 can be layered into a mica sheet of a few centimeters high. Totally, you can take an idea that mica is a very thin type of sheet. Mica can be clear, black, green, red, yellow or brown. Due to its excellent dielectric strength, low power loss factor, insulating properties and resistance to high voltage. Students, as a conclusion, you can learn that mica is one of the most indispensable minerals used in electric and electronic industries. Okay, you can learn this fact that mica is a very important mineral used in electric and electronic industries. So in this manner we can also feel that mica is also an important mineral, because in today's life our each and every machinery is working with electricity. Okay, and for this purpose we have to need electrical industries. So now we will discuss about the production of mica. Mica deposits are found in the northern edge of the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Where it has been found in the northern edge means corner, corner of the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Koderma, Gaya, Hazaribagh belt of Jharkhand is the leading producer. Okay, so you can learn that Gaya in Bihar and Hazaribagh also, Hazaribagh belt of Jharkhand. Hazaribagh belt is located in Jharkhand. So these are the major leading producers of mica. In Rajasthan, the major mica producing area is around Ajmer. In Rajasthan, the major mica producing area is around Ajmer. Okay, students. Nellore mica belt of Andhra Pradesh is also an important producer in the country. What's the name? Nellore mica belt is located in Andhra Pradesh and it is also an important producer of mica in our country. And in Rajasthan, the major mica producing area is located around Ajmer. Now we will discuss the map scale. Okay, students. Now just focus about the production of mica in our country. Okay, students. So pay attention. Students, at first we will see our Bihar. We will see the production of mica in Bihar. Students, you can see this is our Bihar and this star. At first see the symbol of mica. Mica. This triangle is representing the production of mica in our India. So just see this triangle. Okay, this is equal to the place of Gaya, and in Bihar, Gaya is the main mica producing belt. I am repeating, in Bihar, Gaya is the main mica producing belt. Okay. Now see nearby state Jharkhand. You all know that this is our Jharkhand. In Jharkhand we have Hazaribagh. This again you are able to see this star, and I have written mica also. Here also I have written mica, and this is equal to Hazaribagh. Hazaribagh is also the main producing belt located in Jharkhand. Okay. Now see the production of mica in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan we have Ajmer. Okay, I have written mica, and we have Bewar also. Now only I have told you that in Rajasthan major mica producing places are located around Ajmer. So this is our Ajmer, and nearby Ajmer we have the another mica producing belt, and the name of this belt is Bewar. So these are the major mica producing belts in our Rajasthan. Okay. Now just see Andhra Pradesh. Students, this is our Andhra Pradesh, and in Andhra Pradesh we have Nellore mica belt. This is the star and this is Nellore, Nellore. This is the Nellore mica belt, and this is the very important producing belt located in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, students, so as a conclusion you can see that in India we have majorly 4 mica producing states. Number 1 Bihar we can say, and nearby number 2 Jharkhand we can say, and number 3 Rajasthan we can say, and number 4 Andhra Pradesh we can say. Just learn the name of the places. Gaya is located in Bihar. Hazaribagh is located in Jharkhand. Nellore is located in Andhra Pradesh, and Ajmer and Bewar are located in Rajasthan. So these are the major mica producing places in our India. Okay, students, once again I am repeating related to the production of manganese. In manganese we have we have major three states. Okay, we have major three states, Madhya Pradesh we have, and Maharashtra and Odisha we have. Madhya Pradesh is producing 27% of manganese, and Maharashtra and Odisha, both of the states are producing 25%, and again the state is also producing 25% of manganese in our India. So students, this was the explanation related to the production of manganese as well as related to the production of mica. Bauxite I am not explaining in this video because it will be too much. So in my next video I will explain you the production related to bauxite. So what you have to do, you have to show all these places related to the production of manganese and related to the production of mica in your map, and just paste that map in your geography notebook. Students, remember one point: you have to paste separate maps. Like in last video we have discussed about the production of iron ore, so that map should be separate. The production of manganese, this map should be the separate one, and the production of mica, this map also should be the separate one. So today you have to prepare two maps. Okay students? Okay. And students, these are my self prepared notes related. This page is related to the distribution of manganese, and this page is related to the production of mica. Okay, I will give you the PDF of both of these two pages. I will give you the PDF. So what you have to do, you have to prepare all these points in your geography fair notebook. Okay students, do it in a nice manner. Okay students, thank you students, have a good day.